And Wednesday brings us a beautiful start, nothing but clear skies. A nice sunrise for you early this morning. A live look out of our 13 WREX camera as we continue to stay dry, sunny, and this time around, we're warming things up. The next several days, we'll see a pleasant warm up. In fact, by Friday, we could end up near record territory. Not so much this morning, though. Some of us still dropping in the 30s. 39 degrees through Rochelle, Mount Morris, Stockton, 38 in Beloit. The rest of us still hanging on to those low to mid 40s, but still might need to grab that light jacket or sweatshirt to get you through the next few cool hours, but you won't need anything by the afternoon. We're going to climb into those low to mid 70s, really warming things up, putting us at least 10 degrees above average as we still see plenty of sunshine. Calmer winds expected for today as well, as we then drop into those mid 40s overnight. Still clear, still quiet. That trend follows us right into our Thursday. But another thing that will change as far as tomorrow goes is we could be a couple degrees warmer. Not by much, but take a look at what happens by Friday. We really start to warm things up. Mid 80s. Now the record sits at 88 degrees. We might not break it, but we could get awfully close as we are trending to warm things up. It's going to feel like summer the next several days. But there is a change though. As we head into the weekend, your temperatures will start to drop. In fact, early next week, we could see over a 20-degree drop as fall comes in full swing. We still stay quiet, but that is far from true as we take a look at what's happening in the Gulf of Mexico. Looks like we have an update on Hurricane Milton. Right now has slowly been downgrading to a now Category 4 hurricane. Your winds at 155 miles per hour. Pressure also increased just a touch at 915 millibars, but it is inching closer to the coast of Florida. Now, as it continues to move further into the coast there, you'll notice it stays as a major hurricane, expected to make landfall closer to the Tampa area and then through Florida as we get into the weekend. Little to no chances for rain here back at home for the next several days. Nothing but sunshine. Here's that warm up for you, 84 degrees by Friday. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we look to drop out of the 70s, the 60s, into the 50s as we get into early next week. It'll feel a lot more like fall, at least consistently. We do, though, end up climbing back into those mid to upper 60s into parts of next week, Manny.